Hello students, I am again here for you with some interesting topics. But before going to start, let's talk about corona precaution. Please wash your hands again and again with soap. Use handkerchief while sneezing and don't go outside. Stay at home. So, let's start the video. First, look at the shapes here. First one is rectangle, second is square, third is triangle, and fourth one is circle. So all these shapes we can draw easily on the paper. Therefore these shapes are called 2D shapes. Students, do you notice any common thing between these shapes? Oh yes, very good. All shapes are different here, but all are very happy. It means you should also be happy in your life in any situation. So what are 2D shapes? 2D shapes means the shapes which can easily draw on the paper. Now look at these shapes. First one is ball, second one is box, and third one is book. So these are the shapes we cannot draw on the paper, but we can hold it in our hand. So these shapes are called 3D shapes. So what is 3D shapes? 3D shapes means the shapes which we can hold it in our hand. Now we will see what are the 3D shapes which exactly look like a 2D shapes. Before that, first revise. 2D shape means the shapes which we can draw on the paper, and 3D shapes means the shapes which we can hold it in our hand. First is rectangle here, which is 2D shapes. Now I have a eraser which is a 3D shapes, but it is exactly look like a rectangle. As you know, eraser is 3D shape, so I can hold it in our hand like that. Now look at this small book. This is also a 3D shape which looks like a triangle. Oops, sorry students, this is triangle. No, this is a rectangle. Now second 2D shape is square here. Now I have one box. Look at this box very carefully students. The box is in 3D shapes and it is look like a square. Box, ice cube, sugar cube. These are the examples of 3D shapes of square. Now third one is triangle. Oh, look at this hanger. The shape of this hanger is in triangle shape and this is a 3D shape. And the last shape is circle here. Now I have one ball here which is also happy, and the shape of this ball is look like a circle. So these are the difference between 2D shape and 3D shape. 2D shape means the shapes which we can easily draw on the paper, and 3D shape means the shapes which we can hold it in our hand. I hope you all are understood this topic. So let's find out more 3D shaped example in your home. Thank you.